Welcome to our vlog!
Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. It's already 1:30. 1:33 is a late start of the day. Mga walang gana lumabas. This daddy is actually not feeling well. Pero uminom na siya ng gamot kanina yung nakaidlip siya. Yung mga bata ayaw din lumabas kasi nga ang init. Pero ngayon, napagdesisyonan that we are going to Target and gusto din ng dalawang bata na ma-experience or makapunta sa Target. So, game sila. So, yeah. We are going. Nagbihis na ako. Just wearing comfy clothes because it's so freaking hot. And, yeah. We're going in a while, I think. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything from Target kasi I feel like nakuha ko na or nabili ko na yung mga must-haves. Although, I might get more sunscreen. We'll see. Kung meron pa ako makitang iba. So far, ginagamit yung e.l.f. na invisible sunscreen na gamit ko. Kapareho siya ng texture ng Supergoop. I remember, para siyang dupe ng Supergoop na para siyang waxy na iba yung texture niya sa balat. Parang ang kinis ng balat mo. And I like it. So, I might get another one. We'll see. But it was, nung nakita ko sa resibo, it was $15. So, if you convert that to Canadian, siguro mga 22, ganun. Napapaisip ako, is it worth it? Parang, ewan ko, we'll see. Sana merong sale. So, yeah. And sabi meron ding Ross doon. It's another type of TJ Maxx din. And, yeah. We might drop by like, ano ba yun? Round Rock Donuts. Parang sikat din na donut place. We'll see how the day goes. And, I'll let you know. See you later. Okay, we're going sightseeing first. There's a bridge there. I think a famous spot. We have to hike a bit to see it from the top. Oh my gosh. Rocky. Careful, Zach, ha? Ano ba yan? Ang Gina Jackson, guys. Just a very short hike, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and we're here. Oosh. Nag-picture kami ni Daddy dyan, nakaupo sa ledge. Takot yung isa.
You look like a hermit.
This is it, what's this bridge ate?
Pennybacker Bridge.
Pennybacker Bridge. Tapos ito, river ba yan? Eh, may mga ano...
Colorado ata.
Oh, may mga boat. Tsaka nasa ano... Hindi ko alam saan papunta. Okay, we are here at Oasis Restaurant. It's an overlooking restaurant. Look at that view. But it's so hot. Pero dito shaded. So, magdi-drinks lang tayo. So, we can go in. Look at that.
Baka dyan nakatira siya ng Ilan.
Are here. And then, marami din doon. Meron ding Dollar Tree, 5 and below, and everything. So yeah, let's go. Okay, first up, of course, we gotta get some Starbucks before we start window shopping. Let's see. And then they have Ulta here pala inside. So yeah. Okay, we're done at Target. Wala ko nabili. Mga kids, mga snacks, candy, cereals for the next few days. Pero syempre hindi na namin yung bibili na pabalik. And here is Dollar Tree and Bath and Body. Pero hindi na tayo papasok dyan kasi it's the same thing and wala silang sale. And yeah, so nothing exceptional. I don't know this Morris's. Not. I think it's a clothes store din. And katabi ay mga shoes. And the next is Ross. So, doon tayo pupunta ngayon. Sa Ross. Yeah. So, yung ate ni Vince umuwi kasi binaban niya lang kami dito kanina. Kasi may school event yung bunso. So, binabaan niya kami dito and then text na lang daw kami pag ready na. Kaya, babalikan na lang kami dito. So, we still have time to look around. Oh, OMG, is that Wingstop? I see. Oh, wait. Okay, we're here na. Inside at Ross. Again, parang another TJ Maxx, Winners, Marshalls, and everything. Discounted like Calvin Klein, Michael Kors, mga branded. Okay, pero hinahanap ko yung sale aisle. Doon tayo sa sale aisle. Yung Puma, Under Armour, Adidas. Yeah. Okay, we are done at Ross. There's just a couple. Si Seb may pinabiling sweater. Nakainit-init. Pero syempre, sa Canada niya yung susunod. And we found ang matagal na kinikrave ng mga kids from Singapore dahil na-miss nila ang Wingstop. So, buti meron dito. And this is where we're gonna eat. Let's go. How is it, Zach?
Good.
We got Louisiana rub.
It's spicy.
This is garlic parmesan. Zach is lemon pepper. And Rachi got a burger. Na may flavor din, di ba? Garlic parmesan.
Garlic parmesan.
Yeah. Hey guys! Hindi na ako nakapag-update. Yeah, after namin sa Wingstop, sinundo lang kami, got home, rested, and took a bath. It's now 9:30. And yeah, grabe, every time lalabas ka talagang hindi pwedeng tagaktak pawis the whole day. Anyway, so tomorrow, hindi ko pa sure kung anong lakad. Parang mga option is water park, pumpkin patch, or parang zoo na drive-by. Yung nasa sasakyan ka lang. Parang yun yung mas bet ko. Para hindi mainitan. Pero sa weather forecast, medyo lalamig bukas. Uulan. Tapos parang nasa 27, 23. So, yan ang gusto kong weather. Grabe ang 30 plus. Anyways. Yeah, we're gonna end the day. I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna try to edit if I can. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for coming with us today. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!